Hello, my name is Owen.
Hi, my name's Madeline.
Hi, my name is Grace, and happy Monday.
Hi, my name is Maggie.
Hi, my name is Brittany. I hope you're having a good Monday.
Hope you are I hope you really don't have any problems.
What I'm going to do to make it a great week today is to be nice to other students and be safe, responsible, and respectful.
If I get something wrong on a test, I'm just going to go with the flow.
This week I'm going to try to be nice to other people.
My advice to you for this week is to stay positive and do your best.
If you did good job on something, that's good. But if you make a mistake, just keep trying.
You can turn your day around by helping somebody else.
Pay attention to your teachers.
Take some deep breaths.
My advice for other students is that if you have a hard day at school and you don't know what you're doing, ask 3 people before you ask the teacher.
Be kind to other students even if it irritates you.
Keep on trying and don't give up.
Try to just do your best.
To be safe, respectful, and responsible.
Have a great week, Aumsville Panthers!